they can always think of the perfect gift to give their loved ones on special occasions. Jasmine said she likes that name a lot. She remembered all the times in her life when loved ones had known exactly how to show her appreciation. If she named her daughter Ogochimere, this would be a great way to imbue her daughter with this ability to make others feel special. Jasmine then asked her ancestor, "Are there more names too?" Her ancestor said, "Yes." And then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said, "The second name is Ogochukwu." So then, Jasmine asks